How to fix Telegram syncing between devices. If Telegram is not syncing messages or media properly across your devices, start by checking your internet connection on all devices. Telegram requires stable connections to sync data. Make sure you are logged into the same account everywhere. Sometimes logging out and logging back in on all devices forces a fresh sync. Clear the cache in Telegram settings on each device to remove old data that might be causing sync issues. Also, check if any devices have Telegram set to offline or do not disturb mode. This can delay syncing. Telegram stores all messages on its cloud, so you should never lose chats. But local media might take time to sync depending on your connection speed. Have you noticed any delay syncing between mobile and desktop? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.